Tired of watching your Temu Farmland crops wither away? We're diving into the fastest ways to supercharge your water supply and achieve farming success. First, let's cover the basics. The water drop icon at the top shows your current water level. Our goal is to keep that number rising. One of the most rewarding methods is inviting friends. Tap on the Invite Friends section, copy your unique referral link, and share it across social media or directly with your contacts. Each successful referral gives you a significant amount of water. Next, tackle those daily tasks. These are your bread and butter for consistent water gains. Look for simple activities like browsing specific product categories or completing a set number of orders. Each completed task awards water. Don't forget your daily watering streak. Each consecutive day you water your crops, the water reward increases. Set a reminder so you don't miss a day and maximize your bonus. Keep an eye out for hidden treasure chests. These pop up periodically throughout the day. Tap them to claim your free water prize. Fertilizer is your ally. Every use of fertilizer is one less watering required to get you to your goal of harvesting. Finally, take advantage of the Lucky Draw minigame, also known as the Wheel of Fortune. This offers a chance to win bonus water and other useful game items. It's a gamble, but the potential rewards are worth the spin. Master these techniques, and you will be harvesting in no time. Happy harvesting!